Today we're just doing an upgrade on the regular headlights to LED headlights. The headlight bulbs on this aren't too hard to change. I had the driver's side headlight burn out on me about a week ago, and I installed one of those LEDs in there just because I needed a bulb. I didn't want to get pulled over by the police, so I threw that in there. I thought, oh, I'll get some new ones later. But honestly, I really like the performance of it. I think it's way better than the factory headlights. And I'm going to go ahead and install this second one in here so I have a matched pair of headlights now. Here's the LED lights my son bought. See from an angle how white and bright that one is. And this one here looks so much more yellow. See if we can get a better frontal view. Here's a good comparison of the two light bulbs parked in a parking lot. You can see how crystal bright white the one on the left side is, as opposed to the orangish reddish glow of the one on the right. And I haven't had anybody flash their high beams at me saying that my lights are too bright, so I'm pretty sure we're in the safe zone here. But I'll put a link to the LED headlight bulbs in the description of the video. But the driver's side, you just reach down there right in front of the battery and you can see where the light bulb is twisted into place. Pretty simple installation. The passenger side is a little different, but it's the same principle. There it is right there. You're going to want to reach in with your right hand in front of the wiper bottle, squeeze the connector on it, and disconnect the connector. Oh, there we go. We got it. And now you have a clear view of the two little tabs. You have to reach in and rotate them counterclockwise. And there's the factory bulb, or whatever bulb someone has put into it since the factory days. And this one is still a good bulb, so I'm going to put that back in my toolbox and keep that for a spare. Now we're going to reach down, set it in place, and turn it clockwise until it snaps into position. There it is right there, twisted into place. Now we just grabbed, I like how they give you an extra long pigtail wiring connector on it. It makes it easier to hook up. But there's the connector all back together. There we go. They're both nice and white light now, which I like. Dark out, will come out here and start it up and go on a little test drive for you. Here we go with a before and after comparison. And here it is with both of the new LED lights installed on low beam and high beam. Now let's get it out on the road away from all this other light and see how it does. Here it is with both of the new LED headlights installed on low beam, and you can see the light is a lot whiter and brighter. Let's try high beam. We'll cycle it off and on a couple times here, and you can see how it extends your vision out, you know, a significant amount of nice white light. It certainly gives you a clearer view of what's ahead of you and on the sides, I'd say. I do feel like the headlights may need to be aimed. I think the driver's side one is pointed up a little bit higher than the passenger side, and those will need to be evened out. And I also believe the passenger side may be pointing inward a little bit too much. So I need to do a little bit better job of marking and adjusting the headlights before we call this project done. But you can do it yourself. Upgrade the lighting on your car with no problem. A link will be in the description of the ones that I recommended. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.